Good morning, y'all. It's your LA appliance guy here. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Look what we got. A Maytag. 10-year warranty. 10-year warranty. Usually these things are pump issues, but let's pull the codes and see what it does. It's not spinning, so I might be wrong. Let's find out. You know I like to spin the drums. Oh yeah, sounds good. So the technical data sheet is usually on the inside of these things, either on top of the dispenser or on the underside of the top here. But getting it into the diagnostic mode is 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then it should show us our F9E code. 0901. If you've seen any of my Whirlpool or Maytag 10-year warranty videos, F9E1 is long drain. Now you hit the 3rd button to go to the next one. 0301, I think that's pressure system fault. You can get that on these with a pump problem. Ooh, F052. And then back around. Now if we're gonna clear it, we hold that 3rd button. Now it's cleared. You can probably put these things into a diagnostic test just like the top loads by hitting that 2nd button. And what, this is probably the door lock. Yep, door lock. Unlock. It ain't unlocking. Do you go up? Huh, okay. Go up. Oh, it's going into an auto test. Look at that. Hey, let's just see what it does. All right, let's go ahead and take this back off. Quarters. Come on. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oakley dokley. Look at that! 1, 2, 3. These are just like push lock doohickeys. There and there, but there and there are screws. So I usually just pull one of them. But there's our pump. Please don't come pouring it. Oh yeah, lovely. And it stinks too. Blah. We've changed one of these before. Ugh. Whoa. Toothpicks. Did that boy just say tooth? Nice. Okay. I don't believe I'm going to take the chance on leaving this pump in there. We'll probably take it off and bench test it, but that's a lot of toothpicks. But that's not enough to clog it. Check this out. This thing is smashed. Either it got major off balance or they were rough with it. Goodness. We might have to try and zip tie this thing or secure it because it can't be running around like that. Okay, so yeah, that 2nd button on this unit is an auto test. On the top loads, it's a manual test. So what it was doing in the first situation was door lock, drain pump, heater, cold valve, hot, drum rotates, heater, drain pump, counterclockwise, maximum spin, door unlocked. Cool, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Should be no codes because we cleared them. It moves the drum a little bit. See, it's trying to drain, but that impeller could be trashed. We might need to block this off somehow. Dude didn't bring me the doohickey. So if moving the motor a little bit. Come on. What are you doing? Does it need me to advance it? There we go. Next one. Next one. More. Step 4, hot valve. Come on. 5, drum rotates. Hopefully it drains this time. Oh, that's the heater. 7 is drain pump. There we go. Pumping pretty good, I have to say. And we'll just let it finish out. So I think I'm gonna take this pump off and bench test it, because during that test cycle, it started making a pretty good chattering sound. So we're gonna bench test it. After some coffee. These pumps aren't really very expensive. I think about 50 bucks or so worth of change. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It amazes me that some of these pumps from Whirlpool are $200 and some of them are only 50 or 60. And they're like almost identical, just minor differences. I don't know why. Alrighty, got our 110 hooked into our doohickey. Oh, got me. Thing sounds like trash. Gross. All right. So on certain drain pumps, you only change the actual pump motor itself. In that case, use a marker and mark where the screws go. But in this one, we're changing the whole assembly. No big deal. Oh yeah. We got a bad pump. All right. Alrighty, so my phone messed up there, but I didn't get a shot of this, but you just zip, 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 plug, and hose. These are tight, so I usually go in kind of a pattern and don't just zip one at a time, so let's give her a go. Somehow I have to secure this. Man, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so I was able to get one zip tie right there, but I'm probably gonna have to drill a little hole right here to get this one in. Fun. Man. Almost broke my bit. All right. Come on. Hey! Look at that. That's redneck. All right, got some blankets in her. Fire it off. Pow. Redneck water filler. Well, we're washing our blankets. Let's see what it does. Drained out now. Ooh. Nasty. Going into spin. Must be rinse. 48 minutes left. Solid. Final spin. Bada boom. Spun them out good. Ugh. All right. Let's see. Sorry, doo-doo on the lens. Let's see if we got any codes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Should be clear, please. Yep. Good to go. All right. Put the top back on. Then we gotta put the bottom back on. Alrighty, put our little push pin. Come on. There we go. So yeah, that was a quick, easy pump fix on these Maytag 10-year warranty. Not a 10-year warranty on these, but if you can see the play in that impeller there, yeah, she's trashed. It's not getting the water out fast enough. That's why it threw the F9E1 code. So, good to go now. Easy. Oh yeah, and we rednecked the control board so it's not banging around. Saved them about $300 because you can't get the sheathing, the plastic cover without getting the control board. And we've made it to the end of the video. And you know what the keyword is today? You put the keyword down in the comments to make sure everybody know you made it to the end of the video. And I'm sorry this was a longer one. Today is no cavities. This dude's a flosser. No freaking cavities, brah. Gross. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay. Later.